Aibuild is a software company. It provides a very advanced platform to generate advanced toolpaths for industrial machines. We have parts from our partners that we have done in collaboration. We have live printing with the KukaCell. We also have our collaboration with the CNC Robotics, Sika Materials and Total Machining Solutions in UK, as well a beautiful tool from Ingersoll, the Kamoji group, as well some beautiful parts from Fronius. At the fair we offer our software Aibuild version 3, which is what we have been working for over a year now, that we are releasing today at Formnext. We have a few capabilities that we are releasing, from automation on making molds that we called Mold Designer. So now the user is able to only import their A surface and automatically create ribs and forklift holes for the manufacturing process. The most important feature of Aibuild platform is our unique architecture. It's based into visual programming. That means that we can have very flexible control of the engineering workflows. We can have engineering workflows that are very simple to use, but also very advanced for very complex processes and applications. Aibuild is a software company, and the benefit for our customers is our team. They will have close communication with our team at all times. They are specialists, and that reflects on our software. Come to our booth. Our team is here to welcome you. Please visit our website ai-build.com.